Hey people, welcome back. Here we are, my cluttered desk, I guess you could say. Eventually we'll have it cleaned off because I plan on doing a lot more how-tos up here. For sure. So with that note, here we have a car I did quite a few years ago, and I came back. I got to do a little work to it. But it's a 73 resin Challenger, except for I went as far as to give it a Hemi. Give it a shaker scoop, whole 9 yards. Just to be different. Pretty different, huh? I thought so. I always like to be different sometimes. I have a 72 Chevelle in the works. And you see I had to cut out the lower part of the front quarter so I can get everything to match. And there you go. Plans are to turn it into a 71 now. There is a resin company out there that does do the conversion parts. So what that'll do. Here's my buddy's Brickwood. He just was having trouble with the black paint, so I got it from him. I got the body all polished out, the orange anyway, and I'll go ahead and finish foiling it, and I'll make it some kind of I don't know, some old school or something. Haven't decided just yet. Off my shelf here, this, oh man, this has got to be rare. I have a 62 Mercury that needs to come into the shop. It's missing an A-pillar. So I'd like to go ahead and restore it. No motor. Got a hood for it though, finally. Going to give it another set of wheels and call it good, but I haven't seen a 62 Mercury full-size car, right? All I seen was the Comets or the what is that, the Meteor. It's kind of nice to get this. Actually, pretty cool. Started working on this a while back, and I got to touch up the hood in a couple spots for some reason. The can just kind of went spurt, just kind of went every which way and put globs everywhere, so it's almost ready for decals. It's already been cleared, a couple coats. Get the decals on her and get her sealed in, and it looked pretty good. Do you like my Sox and Martin stuff? Did quite a few of them over the years. These I picked up. We had an auction in a group I'm in, a Yahoo group, and I managed to grab a 74 Dodge 4-wheel drive pickup. Pretty decent shape. Got a 59 Galaxy that'll be a mild custom. Door handles have been shaved, and that'd be kind of neat. Just do it as a custom. Put full skirts on it. And make it different. Here is a 61 Galaxy. Must have been a promo because the hood's cut out. It's probably the Skyline kit, is what I'm guessing. So, kind of neat stuff there. I'm like a house full of projects. I know that. They have more stuff in the go than yikes. It's nerve-wracking. That's why my handle stress factor kind of seems fitting, doesn't it? Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Here is a 1961 Ford Galaxy convertible. And it looks like everything's there to build it. I haven't decided on color yet, but I'm thinking about probably a bright red. Red interior, maybe a white interior, that might work. That might be cool. Here, what do we have in here? Oh, a friend. The post office killed it, so yes, I got a picture back up. But it's a 65 Galaxy Ranchero. Something you don't see every day. A friend of mine did a nice job on it. It's just the post office just decided to, well, destroy it. You know, they like to use it for footballs, maybe. Who knows? Whatever the case is, it just came and it was in like a lot of pieces. Oh, this one's gonna get the Mopar people drooling. 1968 Cuda. Original. I don't know if you can make out the 68 on that or not. That one was a fun one to strip. It didn't want to strip. I ended up using a SOS pen. The only way I could get it to strip. Scary as it sounded, it actually worked really good. I have a Force 440 car to restore. And I found a chassis, but I might end up... The original chassis looks like the Dukes of Hazzard chassis. But I don't know, the 68 Roadrunner, or 69 Roadrunner chassis just might work with a little coaxing. We'll look into that a little further one of these days. Kind of tough in the summertime, just a lot going on. Makes it really tough. There's a Novocaine Nova project. I gathered some pieces for it, and it'd be nice to get that done in a second try at it. They said, I don't know if these pictures are working. I mean, I got lights on up here, but I don't know. And of course, there's the, what is that, like a Logie chassis or whatever for it. So that'll go in it. Like I said, this is just a few of my projects I'm showing off here, just so everybody can see. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, let's look at this box. Oh, I started another Blazer project. I did a replica of mine in scale, and I decided I want to try it with a snap kit. Because in actuality, it worked a lot better using the snap kit than the way I did it. So I did some creative cuts and did some adding, and there it is. And there's the old front end that used to be on it. They saved it because you never know. I might need the front clip for something. Don't want to throw it out. I try not to throw anything out, because you just never know when you're going to need something.